Affordable coupes and rear-wheel drive sport trucks used to be quite popular, but they seem to have mostly disappeared from the market in recent years. However, we were hopeful about a return this month. First Honda showed us a new Prelude concept, and now Toyota has dropped a big hint that it will revive the Tacoma X-Runner. The original XRunner was sold from 2005 to 2014, going into battle with vehicles like the Dodge Ram SRT-10. Here he tried to prove that trucks could be reliable performance cars, and not just when tested in a straight line. The XRunner can also take corner kicks. At this fall's SEMA Performance Show, Toyota is showcasing the XRunner version of the all-new 2024 Tacoma, and although it's officially just a concept, we can't imagine it will keep up that claim for much longer. Let's hope it doesn't, though, because a fast, fun, two-wheel drive truck that looks this good is sure to be a big sales success. Compared to the stock Tacoma, the concept gets a 3-inch, 76mm, wider track, a reinforced frame and various mechanical bits from its Tundra big brother, including air suspension, 13.9-inch, 353mm, front brakes, and a rear axle. With 4.30:1 final drive and electronically controlled locking function. Numerous suspension parts, such as arms, have been modified to work with Tundra components, and the 21-inch carbon fiber wheels are controlled by Bilstein shocks with remote reservoirs. Unless you're a Greenpeace activist, things get even better under the hood, as it replaces the stock Tacoma's 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, as well as a four-cylinder hybrid engine, the most powerful of which makes 326 horsepower, 331 horsepower. PS, is a 3.4-liter twin-turbocharged V6 that makes a ton more ponies. Lifted from the Tundra, it has been upgraded from 389 horsepower, 394 PS, to 421 horsepower, 427 PS, while maintaining the same 650 Nm, 479 lb-ft, torque output, and even though this truck is no longer in production, the engine will soon be available in the Tundra with TRD performance. It will be available as a bundle upgrade. And then there's this drastic visual change. The Speedway blue paint is a nod to the color worn by the original XRunner at the 2004 Chicago Auto Show, but the new truck looks much tougher with its black hood and roof, red accents, angled front bumper and side exit exhaust.